made a big mistake on these solar panel mounting rails. Underneath the back panel, you can see I have the 2 bolts that will connect the panel to the rail, and then I have 2 holes drilled up here for the front panel. The problem is I put the 2 solar panels right up against each other in the middle. These 2 bolts I can tighten before I put the second panel on, but when I put the second panel on, I'll be able to get to that bolt, but there's no way I'll be able to get to the nut on the back side of this center bolt. I thought I'd be able to put my hand underneath there and just reach all the way underneath the panel to hold the wrench on that nut there. But as you can see, my hand is way too tall, my arm. The panel's not nearly as high up as I thought it was. So the problem is I've already cut these mounts down to that length, and I can't change it now unless I go buy new angle, but I'm not going to do that. I come up with a remedy, my dad's favorite adhesive, good old JB Weld. So what I'm going to do is, or what I've done, is JB Weld the nut on the back side of those mounts, the 2 that I cannot get to. I've got the bolt in there with some tape on it to hold the nut up, tie it up against the mount until it gets just tacky enough it'll hold the nut on there without my assistance. Then I'll take the bolt out of there, let that cure for a day, and then those nuts will be permanently mounted and I'll easily be able to get to them. Just thought I'd show that to you guys, but this is my dad's favorite adhesive, JB Weld, pretty good stuff. He loves it and I love it, and it's going to save the day on this one. See you later.